In the next part of our video in this series of Oracle forms, we will start our installed services. So for that, run cmd as administrator and go to our middleware home. So here we will start first our node manager. So for that, start node manager command is used. The next thing is again we will go to our directory, that is middleware home. And we will write start weblogic.cmd. Here we will give our WebLogic username and password. You can see WebLogic is hosting on our node manager, and it is updating all the values it requires. So here you can see server is state is changed to a running mode. So the next we will start our managed cmd, and in capital letter we will write our WLS form, that is our form server name. Again it will ask the username and password for our WebLogic. now start the form server, and after that we will starting our report server with the same step as we have started the form server. So let me go to the path again, main, and it's base domain and bin, and here we will write start managed space WLS reports. That is our report server name. So again the password, and username of our WebLogic will provide it. So once our report server will start, we will move on to OHS server, that is our hosting server. Okay, so you can see server state change to running mode, and now we will start our component, that is OHS1, and we will write it with store user config. Okay, good to go. We will minimize all the windows, not close anyone, because these are the services that are running. Okay, it is connecting now, and once it will connect, it will ask the password. So we will give our WebLogic password here. Okay, it's done. Just minimize this window. So now by going to our URL, that is our fully qualified name FQN, and 7001 was our port, and here is our console. So in the same way we can connect to our enterprise manager. So in the environmental section in servers, we can see our all three servers that we install are running. In the same way we can log in into our enterprise manager, and we can see our services are running there. We will meet in the next video with a few next steps.